Vicky here with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, and I'm super happy because it's from Your Creative Studio. I've shown their subscription box in the past and I just love their stuff so much. So I was very excited when they mentioned the opportunity of doing another collaboration. So this time around it's the March box that I'm getting. So let's see. It's always such it's full of gifts, you know, like it's just gorgeous and I can't wait. I didn't check to see if they mention on the website what is included in that for the month of March, but let's see. There seems to be little bees and things, so let's see what it is. If the indication of the little, yes, it is. Isn't that gorgeous? Check out that stamp. Oh, beautiful. And this is another cling stamp. And whoops. Oh, there's a few here. So there's a jar of jam, 2 little jars of jams, and then you've got the little bees, super cute. And then this is washi, which I just adore, as you know. I didn't do a good job here. So this is the washi tape, beautiful color. So pretty. It's quite a long design. Here we start again with that one. Isn't it pretty though? I really like it. I love anything to do with bees. I really hope that the bee population can come back. I love honey, and they're great for your garden and obviously nature in general, so we need them. Okay, so then, oh, there's a little, what is this? It looks like a little pad of paper. It is! Check out the cutie. Oh, that's just so sweet. That's just adorable. Adorable little images. Perfect for little ATCs, as you know. I'm in the midst of that. Look at the little owl. So there, this is kind of like transparent vellum, and then there's these, which are just the beautiful picture, and then you've got more like design. So very cute. And then what is this? This is a little box. Looks very cute. But let's see what's inside this. I don't want to damage the box. Love how these subscription boxes are just like little Christmas gifts. I think it might be little stickers. Yes, I believe they are. So all sorts of little labels. Very cute. And they are little stickers. Just wanted to make sure. I guess I don't need to put it back in the, I can just leave it in the little box. And then this looks like little papers. All kinds of beautiful little scribbly papers. Perfect for backgrounds. And then there's more little papers, but different shapes, so little squares. And again, you've got the vellum. You've got some that could be perfect for Christmas time. So all through the seasons, I guess. Super pretty. So you've got the different designs in regular paper as well as vellum. And then this looks like a tissue paper. Super pretty. Oh, masking tape. So it must be like washi tape type of thing. Then you have little stickers that says be happy. Super adorable. Oh, and then there's a little bookmark. Oh, I love that. That's so sweet to add to your journals and stuff. So cute. I guess if you don't do if you don't want to use it as a bookmark, you could always put it somewhere, like attach it to a journal or something, and as a little charm and such. Super cute. There's that. Then this looks like little stickers, little sticker sheets. So 3 different sticker sheets. Super cute. I keep saying that, but it is. How do you lift these up though? I'm terrible at removing stickers. Are these not stickers? It looks like they would be. Or maybe it's transparencies. I can't read what it says, but it doesn't seem to come undone, so I would suspect then that it's not a sticker. Oh, it is sticker. It's just a little bit harder to, because it's the full sheet, I guess. It's not like they're not, see, it's the full sheet that's a sticker. So either you cut it around or you use the full sheet as it is in your whatever, in wherever you're going to be using it, I guess. Then you've got little sticky notes. They're so precious. Beautiful little sticky notes, much better than the regular little post-its. And then there's 24 sheets of paper. So 6 is sticker paper, 6 is vellum, 6 is art paper, and 6 is a pattern paper. So I love these because you've got, like, I love that you can use the vellum. I've used the vellum in the past for making some cards. You've seen me do that, and I love that even their paper, like the packing and whatever packing stuff can be used as well, because it's just so beautiful. Again, gorgeous box. So if you're interested, go and check them out. You will see in the description box below the link to their subscription box. So either you go and you get the subscription box and as a surprise, or if you're behind in the subscription box, then you can go and get some of the previous packages that they've had, and then you kind of know what the subject is going to be. Like, for example, one was trains, the month of February was trains, and then the month of January was flowers. Clearly this one has more bees in it. So yeah, it gives you opportunities to have different items. I'm trying to get everything to fit into the frame. for you guys. It's just, there's so much. That's the beauty of these boxes. There's just so much goodies inside them. It's hard to know where to start. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Super happy for this collaboration. You will see me use these in upcoming videos. Love you guys. Stay safe and see you soon. Bye.